Hello, my friends. It is time to announce our Fold It Club for this month. And let me just tell you, I am so excited. Are you ready for this one? Now, this one is going to be so fun. And I'm just really excited about this one. Are you ready? Get set. It's going to come in a little envelope like this. On your marks, get set, go. Okay, here it is. It is a mitten. It's a new mitten version for us. And the best part about it, you guys, is there are so many different layers here. So you were getting like technically 3 layers for the bottom cuff, plus this extra cuff if you wanted it to have little stripes. Then you're getting 3 layers of the mitten top. So you can do shaker cards. You're also getting extra fun snowflakes. I know, isn't it adorable? Now, I have so many samples to share with you, but before I show you my samples, I want to show you the stencils, because the stencils, you guys, are really exciting and I'm absolutely in love with them. The first one is the stencil pattern. So, I'm sorry, the sweater pattern. And the sweater pattern is really fun because it literally, look at that. Oh, that's a perfect picture of it. It literally looks like a sweater pattern, right? And you can pick parts of it to use. You don't have to use all of it. You can pick where you want to use it. And the other one we are calling Holly Heart, because it has some like holly little pieces on there, and it has all these little hearts and just these fun little, perfect for every day and for Christmassy and for winter and just literally any time. Now, of course, you're getting the handy dandy postcard that has some ideas, but you know there are way more ideas on our website. Go to our online gallery and click on that, and all the ideas I show you here and more are going to be in our gallery. Are you ready to see some of the samples? Now, the fun thing about this Fold It is it can fold at the top or the side. You could have it be this way, you could have it be this way. You get to decide which way you do it. Now, if you do it this way, boom, it really, really stands up awesome, right? Now look at that stencil, you guys. I absolutely love that fun stencil. You get to mix and match it. So let's put that one over to the side. Ooh, here's one, again, this way with our other stencil. I know. I hope you're getting into the stencils as much as I am, because let me tell you, I'm in love. Then you can also do it this way if you want to. Now, if you want it to stand up and it's not standing up, because that is a curve, right? Curves can't stand up. Can I show you a little trick? What you're gonna do is you're gonna get your scissors. This is a fun trick. You're gonna get your scissors. Sometimes all you have to do is make it straight on, and I'm just cutting a little tiny bit off. Look, that's how much I cut off. You can't even barely see it, right? Look at that. Now, usually all you have to do is look at that. Ta-da! Ta-da! Now my line is a little crooked, so let's make it a little straighter so the card ends up straighter. There we go. So it's just the, now it's not gonna do it. There we go. Look, see? So you can do it. Now to make it even easier, you could even trim a little tiny bit off the front, but that's up to you. And look, you can't even tell that I trimmed a little tiny bit off the bottom. Now, oh, here's a cute one, adding that Be Merry. Oh, I love this. And this one is on the side. So you can do it on the side as well, up to you. Oh, here is a fun one. Look at that stencil with the pastels. I absolutely love that. Cheers to a cozy and stylish Christmas. Ooh, here's one on a mini slimline. Look how cute that is. Wishing you have yourself a merry little Christmas. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, here's another one using that stencil. You guys, you're going to use that stencil way more than you think, because, you know, other things are always coming. And if you're in our Die Hard Club and Stamp Club, you have that sweater stamp in there. You could use it on there as well. Look how fun that is. Absolutely love it. Now, here's the shaker card I was telling you about. Remember? Yes, you can make this a shaker card because you have all the pieces to make a shaker card. I know, we love our shaker cards, don't we? Now, oh, look at this one. This is a little bit of a sneak peek because this box it is a new size coming this month, but look at how cute this mitten is. It's a little box. Yvette made it, and look, you can see it's a little tiny box and it's just standing there. You can put little treats inside. So cute. Now, if you wanted to use just the stencils, look at how fun this is with our polar bear to stamp and our fall oval frame set. Look at that with that stencil pattern behind it. Isn't that adorable? Love it. Warm and cozy hello. And here's the other stencil by itself, not even using the mitten. So definitely, they don't have to stay together. You can use them in different ways, right? Which I absolutely love, because the more versatile, the more you're going to use it. Now, Folded Club members, we are getting them out into the mail to you ASAP. If you are not a Folded Club member, guess what? You can't buy this. Nope, it's not for sale. It's not for sale. It's only available to Folded Club members for at least a year, so you're not going to see this on our website for probably 15 months or so. So if you're madly in love with this like I am, you need to join our Folded Club. You are going to have so much fun. You get all the club discounts, you get the club points, you get the freebies. Definitely go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on join the club, and just watch the video that explains everything, because you know what? You're gonna wanna join because it's amazingly awesome. Who doesn't wanna get Happy Mail once a month or twice a month? Or some of my Diamond members, yeah, they get Happy Mail 3 times a month. Ah, I know. It's like we need to treat ourselves just a little tiny bit once in a while. Don't you agree? I do. So thank you so much. Go to the website, thestampsoflife.com. I will see you there. Take care. Bye-bye. much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.